friends, today we going to make glitter slime. This is what ready-made unicorn slime kit. This is for kids above 6 years old. Look guys. This is slime. 1, 2, 3, 4. Glitters. This is unicorn. This is balls. Color balls. Kitty. Shall we open now? Yes, Diana. Let's get started. We have 2 unicorns. Let's start it, guys. Oh my god, so pretty. Wow, so soft. Wow. Just mix. Kitty, we just mix. We just mix. Oh no, the ball. Wait. My hand. So sticky. Let's mix it. Wow. Ooh, wow. Hey, this is honey. I did glitter. Then football. Wow. Oh my god, my chest. We mix it. Wow. Wow. Ooh, bubble. Wow, here was a bubble. Now I mix the ball. Good. Okay. Good. Wow. Wow. You want? Wow, bubble. So big bubble. We put finally we add 2 unicorns. 2 unicorns. Let's put. Wow. Wow. I put this. See. Now we play. Okay. Now love it. Wow! See? So fun, guys. Oh, so fun. Look at this one. Yes. So stretchable. Whoa. So long. Sorry, this cool. See my slide. Nice. Hey, wow. He's so fun. I love it so much. Hey. Hello. See? 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 Look. See? Wow. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. Oh. If you're new to our channel, click subscribe. Bye.